My name is Adrian Ashton, and I'm an Enterprise Nation advisor who specialises in social enterprises. Now, every social enterprise has to pull off a magic trick, seemingly the impossible. How do we do good and make money? If it was easy, everyone would be doing it already. Now, most social enterprises reconcile this tension by having a business model called trade-off, because they are purposefully limiting the amount of profit that they can make or could make and efficiencies with doing social good. For example, they may be employing people who have been long-term unemployed or need more support in the workplace. So they're doing good by creating these jobs and trading off the massive profits they would otherwise have made. Now, there are other ways that social enterprises can pull this trick off. They can do the step model. They're trading in something which does more good the more you do, like renewable energy, or unrelated. They found something that can make a ton of money, like bottled water, but isn't in itself that good a social thing, but all the profits from that very profitable activity go back into achieving the social purpose. Now, social enterprises create massive amount of social good stuff in the world, social impact and social value. But frustratingly, not all of their customers or audiences or stakeholders will care about all of that stuff. So just like in sales and marketing, a social enterprise needs to understand what are the things which its different audiences really care about and just tell them about those things that it's doing. Everything else is a waste of time and effort. And so those messages that you share, the impact you tell, can be in different formats. You can do data sets, charts, case studies, videos. Heck, I've even seen some social enterprises use TikTok to tell the story, to share their social impact and benefits they're creating. But ultimately, your social impact is the core thing that you're doing as a social enterprise. You should be measuring it and understanding it for yourself first to make sure that you're achieving what you set out to do, and then share those good news and encouraging stories with everyone else afterwards. Now, most companies will have corporate values written up on their walls, and in most instances, they smell of horse manure because nothing happens with them. They're not meaningful or used. Your values as a small business will define who you are, what you stand for, how you approach making decisions, and even what you oppose. So you've got to be really clear about what they are. And then when you are, think about what are some of the examples that I can point to, we can point to in our business that show those values working out. For example, if one of our values is openness, then maybe on our website, we will share information about our financial performance, the tax we pay. So decide what your values are and then actually be open about them. Promote them to other people. Give examples of how they're making a difference in how you're working your business, and encourage feedback on them. Be open to people coming back, challenging you and building on that to show that they're not just giveaway, throwaway statements. They're actually real and genuine and you're serious about them.